Hi, nice to meet you. I am Demi. Train travel in Europe is an unforgettable experience with its smooth rides, soothing rail sounds, changing landscapes, and the diverse people you meet along the way. European train systems are renowned for their comprehensive facilities and excellent service. For my first trip to Europe, I chose to explore as much as possible by train while saving money with a global pass. Here's a detailed guide based on my experience as a first-time visitor from the US. When researching Europe Train Pass online, you'll find numerous options, but Eurail and Rail Europe are the most prominent. Eurail, owned by over 35 European railway and shipping companies, caters specifically to non-European residents for travel across multiple countries or within a single country. Rail Europe operates as a booking platform similar to Bookings.com. After weighing my options, I chose Eurail for its extensive coverage and convenience. To purchase your Global Pass, visit Eurail. Start by clicking on Find Your Pass and select Global Pass, under which Eurail pass should you choose. Decide on your preferred pass type, such as 10 days within 2 months, and add it to your cart. During checkout, choose between a mobile pass, delivered via email within minutes, or a paper pass, delivered to your mailbox in about 10 days. I opted for the mobile pass for its immediate accessibility. Consider upgrading to Upgrade to Plus for a higher refund rate on cancellations. After entering traveler information and payment details, complete your purchase. Now, we'll talk about how to activate the Global Pass. Upon receiving the confirmation email on the Global Pass purchase, download the Rail Planner app from the Apple App Store. This app is essential for managing your pass and planning journeys. Now you need to add your pass to the Rail Planner app using your pass number and last name. Then connect your pass to a trip by creating a new trip and setting its start date. Next, activate your pass by entering your passport or ID number and confirming the start date of validity. Once activated, your pass is ready for use. Now we'll talk about the tricky part 4. How to book tickets with Global Pass. After purchasing my Global Pass, I discovered the importance of booking seats well in advance, often recommended up to 3 to 6 months ahead for popular routes. To test this, I tried booking a journey on the Rail Planner for a trip from Paris to Brussels on Monday, June 24, departing at 8:15 a.m. The app displayed several trains meeting my criteria, with the journey taking just 1 hour and 22 minutes, indicating it was an express route. However, each train had a notice stating seat reservations are required. Upon selecting a train, I found that seats were already fully booked for pass holders, meaning I couldn't proceed with booking this ticket using my Global Pass. I changed the filter to No Seat Reservations, which showed many available trains. However, these journeys required more than 5 hours and involved 2 to 3 train changes, making the express option much more preferable. To resolve this, I contacted the Eurail Help Center at Eurail Help. Initially, I interacted with a chatbot that provided general information. Soon after, I connected with a live agent from the Eurail customer service team. The agent directed me to Be Europe, a platform where seats could still be booked from Paris to Brussels. Be Europe is known for providing reservations for pass holders, including those with Eurail or Interrail passes. It's important to note that Eurail operates 2 different systems, mobile passes and paper passes. Each may have allocated seats differently. While the Rail Planner app manages mobile passes, it doesn't access the paper ticket system or other online booking platforms directly. However, seats can still be booked separately on platforms like Be Europe and added to your mobile pass afterward. Fortunately, I managed to secure several important tickets from Be Europe. It's crucial to understand the ticket types issued by booking platforms. For instance, this kind of e-ticket was usable directly without needing to add them to my Rail Planner app. However, the other kind of ticket had a QR code but was only a receipt for the seat reservation. To use it at the train station, I needed to add the journey to the Rail Planner and generate an e-ticket that could be scanned at the station gate. Now, we'll talk about how to add train reservations to your Global Pass. First, access the Rail Planner app and navigate to My Trip. Then, Click on Add a Journey and enter your departure and arrival stations, e.g., Amsterdam Central to Paris Nord, along with the date and time of your journey. Since reservations are mandatory for this journeys, the app will prompt you to enter your reservation details. Use the reservation code provided by platforms like BEurope.com and follow the prompts to link the reservation to your Eurail Pass. Then, save the journey, and it will appear under My Trip in the Rail Planner app. Now, tap the gray ledger on the activation button. It will turn orange, indicating activation. Check your pass section in the app, where the first journey among your total trips will now be activated. Click on Show Ticket to view your e-ticket, which is now ready to be scanned at the station for boarding. Here, I have some additional tips for adding journeys to My Trip. For a journey that direct train is unavailable, like this one from Amsterdam to Brussels, prepare for multiple changes and longer travel times. Ensure all segments of your trip are activated under My Trip to turn all gray ledgers orange. In the last part of this video, let's talk about some troubleshooting and suggestions. 1. Flexible travel options. Between cities like Brussels and Amsterdam, there are numerous trains available where you can often board without a seat reservation. However, always ensure you have an e-ticket ready to board. Without it, how else would you get to the platform? 2. Handling supplement required notices. If you encounter a supplement required message for a journey you intend to activate, disregard it. This advice came directly from a ticket office employee. The Rail Planner app does not facilitate supplement payments, and a supplement is not mandatory to activate your journey. 3. Contacting Eurail customer support. If you face any issues or the app fails to recognize your reservation, don't hesitate to contact Eurail customer support for assistance. Alternatively, seek help at international ticket offices in major stations like Brussels Midi. 4. Managing tight connections. In some cases, you might have only a few minutes to change trains. Stay calm. The next train often departs from the same platform. 5. Navigating multilingual stations. Train stations may display departure information in various languages. For instance, if you see Amber Central on your ticket, but can't find it on the departure board, search Amber Central online. You'll likely find results for Antwerpen Central, the Dutch name for the station. 6. Using Google Maps for navigation. Trust Google Maps to navigate uncertainties about which train to board. Simply enter your arrival station and select the train icon. Google Maps provides detailed information, including stops, exact arrival times at each station, and the platform for your train. 7. Booking strategies. Not everyone can be as fortunate as me in booking express train seats just 3 days in advance. Recently, I tried booking again and found no direct trains available. At least one change was required. Thus, while early seat booking isn't mandatory, it's highly recommended for a smoother travel experience. That is the end of our talk. Hope the above tips and suggestions are helpful. Wish you could make the most of your journey with a global pass across Europe. See you soon.